Hey guys, it's John. Sorry about the noise. I have a washer washing clothes. So I have a chia seed pudding here. I put wild honey, Costco, um, grade A. I put oatmeal, Chef Maxwell, and I put chia seeds. This is the brand Dulzura. Black chia seeds. Alright, so here it goes. Gotta mix it. I did put it in the microwave a little bit. My paper towel for my beard. There's the dog. Sky, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Just so you can see it up front, up close. When you make this, you have to make sure to add, oh sorry, I forgot to mention, I did put almond milk. Almond milk and I would say 2/3 almond milk, 1/3 water. And I just want to say, when you do make it, make sure to put a lot more liquid than you think, or more liquid than the actual chia seeds and oatmeal. And the reason is, you want it to be more like a pudding. If you don't put enough liquid, it's going to come out really hard and thick, and it's not going to be appetizing. I've made that mistake many times. I put it in the refrigerator overnight. The sound finally stopped, which is nice. Alright, here it goes, you guys. All done. Alright, let me know what foods you want me to do in the next mukbang. I will see you in the next video, you guys. You enjoy your Thanksgiving if I don't upload by then.